Thanks for joining us. State officials and members of one Ohio community coming together in an attempt to end a sweeping epidemic affecting Ohio. Katie Jackson tells us more.
Congressman Bob Latta hosted a forum addressing the opioid epidemic in Ohio. He was joined by Ohio's Attorney General, the Ohio Department of Health Director, and Ohio Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services Director.
It's not a big city problem. It's not a little village problem. So what we're seeing is it's everywhere. And so we have a lot of folks out there that are getting hooked on these types of drugs. If they can't afford those anymore, they're going to heroin.
The forum consisted of a presentation, resource tables, and a panel discussion. The discussion was designed to raise awareness of increased heroin and opioid abuse across Northwest and West Central Ohio, and to find solutions to the epidemic. Opiate abuse and addiction is a public health crisis that needs combated. In 2014, over 2,000 lives were lost in Ohio due to unintentional drug overdoses.
I think that we want people to be really aware of it, that again, as I said, that it's not something that's a far-off problem, but it's something that's happening, and I might even say, across town. And a lot of times, it's in your own neighborhood and you don't even know it.
It has to involve the churches. It has to involve law enforcement. It has to involve educators. It has to involve the business community. So basically, everybody in the community has to come together. And I think a meeting like this goes a long way to getting that moving.
Latta and DeWine both agree that winning the battle will take state and local levels as well as the community. In Findlay, Katie Jackson, your News Now.
Thanks, Katie.